Attention, if you're a homeowner in Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, or New Jersey, how would you like to completely erase your electric bill?
Good news is in this video today, I'll show you how to get a brand new 50-year life GAF 3D composition roof for virtually nothing. Give me high fives.
Maybe you already have a new roof or it's under 12 years old. We're going ahead and erasing people's electric bills for lower than what they're currently paying to their electric company. Let's get after it.
Housing for cicadas. We had to get everyone a brand new quality roof to protect you and your family without the high upfront costs and high financing rates. And we dramatically reduce your electric bill too.
This is a unique and limited opportunity to get money from Uncle Sam to get a brand new roof that will last you a lifetime or solar that'll save you thousands.
Here's the deal. We put up enough panels to drop your electric bill down. Let's say you have a $90 bill. That's the example we'll use. Drop that down to, I don't know, $10.17. Every home is different. Let's say you have a $150 bill, drop that down to $9.51, right? Let's say you have a $400 bill. We often are able to drop that down to $10.02, for example, right? But let's use the $90 just example, right? So $90 electric bill. The solar system is $15,000, okay? The federal government, you pay none of this out of pocket, by the way. This is the turnkey cost. The federal government's going to give you $3,900, which leaves you with $11,100. Divide that by 12 months. Divide that by 15 years. And that is going to give us $61.67 a month. And that goes on for 15 years. After 15 years, this 61 goes away and you just get free power for the rest of your home's existence. You gotta have 3 to 5 hours of sunlight to qualify for that. A few of the things, but we'll go over that with you. If you have trees, we'll go ahead and do that as well. Thank you, camera person. Here's $100 grand.
Okay, cool.
Not all roofing and solar companies are created equal.
So how does it sound? What do you think? So if you're a homeowner in Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, New Jersey, more to come, and you're ready to see how you can save thousands on your roof, your electric bill, or both, here's what I need you to do now. Click the link you see here to be taken to a page that looks like this. Simply click the link to see if you qualify and answer the question if you rent your home or if you own your home. Punch in your info and we'll be in touch. Feel free to also schedule an appointment if you'd like with us. You got my calendar there. Just imagine no more roof leak worries, free electricity, and saving thousands. Let us fight for your right for a brand new roof. We'll handle all the paperwork for you and make this easy peasy lemon squeezy hassle-free as possible. We'll get you all the information, we'll leave the decision making up to you, and we'll get you that information in the shortest period of time possible. Take the next steps to see if you qualify. All you have to do is click the link that you see here now. I urge you to act as quickly as possible because there's a limited number of homeowners in your area that will qualify. 50% of people pay nothing and get everything. 50% of people pay $500, $2,500 and get everything. By everything we mean a brand new roof, a brand new solar system. That's in the permitting, the labor, the warranties, the guarantees, everything. And even our cell phone number because you are a valued customer for life. 90% of contractors do substandard construction. Here at Nat Eco Roofing and Solar, we're committed to exceptional workmanship. When you choose us, you'll be sure you're getting quality work and saving thousands. Look, you can get terrible work done or we can get your work done right the first time. If you wait, the insurance company or the government, they might not cover it all. So what are you waiting for? This is a limited time opportunity that won't be around forever. Click the link you see here below. You'll be glad you did, and I look forward to helping you on the other side.